Hey everyone, Max here from Tidbit Takeaway. Today I'm going to give a clear-cut explanation on dropshipping so you can understand what all the rave is about. I know a lot of videos are out there talking about how so many people are able to make a ton of money from dropshipping, and it seems a little crazy, but there is a lot of logic and pretty simple strategy to it all. Later in the video, I'll also personally share the fastest and easiest way I found to get started with dropshipping. So let's get started. Alrighty, so what exactly is dropshipping? So dropshipping is basically a way to sell products online without needing to keep any inventory on hand, meaning without actually having any of your own products to sell. So let's imagine you're a very creative and motivated person who feels that you would be very good at selling products online, but there's one problem: you don't actually have any products to start selling. So that's exactly where dropshipping jumps into the picture. With dropshipping, you can partner with companies that already have products and start selling them on your online store. You customize the designs for the products, giving them a name, logo, or any other elements to create the look and vibe you want. You then display them in your online store, and when someone buys from you, the company ships the product directly to the customer with the designs displayed on your store. The customer gets the products assuming they're all produced by your online store. So an easy example would be t-shirts. Let's say you want to have an online t-shirt store. So what you would do is just partner up with a t-shirt manufacturing company, create designs for the t-shirts, and have them displayed online at the store. And that's it. You have your very own online t-shirt store. Now let me show you a real example with a t-shirt company doing exactly just that. This site is called That Shirt Was Cash, and it has a bit of a bizarre and weird look, but that's exactly the vibe they were going for. A nostalgic, iconic, and humorous t-shirt line. You can see the iconic 90s internet kid surfing the world, Cookie Monster in a wave form, because honestly that's what Cookie Monster looks like, and pants on a t-shirt for some humor. As you can see, you can give each shirt its own style and title to make it fit your store's vibe, just like they did. You're also in charge of your pricing and discounts, which is pretty cool. It's also worth noting that, as ridiculous as this site may look, they are very successful online stores. So if that doesn't give a person some motivation that they too can succeed, then I don't know what does. Now, dropshipping isn't only for t-shirts, it's for literally anything. From clothing to electronics, cat food to phone cases, there are a ton of options. You can have as many partnerships and as many different products as you'd like for your own online store. Another question that usually comes to mind is, if I sell a product, how much of the profit do I need to split with the company? So the way it goes with dropshipping is the following. Let's say you wanted to sell phone cases. You would partner with a phone case company to have phone cases to sell in your store. The company will have a wholesale price for each phone case, indicating how much they will take if it is sold. This means you just need to price it higher than their price in order for you to make a profit. So let's say the company's agreement with you is that they receive $20 for each phone case. If you price the phone case at $25, you make a $5 profit. Which again is pretty amazing considering you have no inventory, no product, and no need for investment to get these products. That's why dropshipping has become a very popular and lucrative route, especially for those looking to start an online business or work from home. Alright, so now that's hopefully cleared things up on what dropshipping is, and if it didn't, please feel free to ask more questions in the comments below. Now let's talk about how you can get started on all this and give it all a try if you'd like. So the fastest, easiest, and most importantly reliable way I've found to get started is by using Shopify. It's how sites like That Shirt Was Cash, Goodfair, or Pella were all able to get their online stores going. Shopify allows you to build an online store and customize it however you like, literally within minutes. What I like about Shopify is that their entire platform is solely made for creating online stores and using dropshipping. So it saves a lot of time considering they already handle all the nitty-gritty work like creating online payment features or finding a wide selection of suppliers to choose products from like Spocket and AliExpress. The downside of using Shopify is that they charge a transaction fee between 2.4% and 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction depending on your plan. However, virtually all other online platforms will do the same, and at least with Shopify, using their platform is actually worth it. They have many features available to make running a store as easy as possible, such as creating coupon codes and store credit, which of course is a great technique to quickly drive traffic to your site. Now, if you'd like to give dropshipping a try, I've left a link in the description below where you can try any of the Shopify plans for free for 3 days and an entire month for just $1. It's usually more than enough time to feel out the platform and see if dropshipping and selling online is something you actually want to do. I hope this video was clear and helpful for your entrepreneurial journey. I know it's everyone's dream to be their own boss and make money from home. And hey, just remember, if that shirt was cash can do it, then why can't you? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tidbit takeaways.